here? This is from Grandma and Grandpa. They sent a box all the way from Michigan. Ooh. What's in here? Look at this, Will.
Hey, you
Hey.
getting bored with the whole Christmas process?
There's something in here for you. Look at that. What's that?
What is that?
I'm gonna put those down real quick.
Rhino. Rewrite.
Wow. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Can you say thank you? Wow, that's pretty neat.
Look what else?
Look. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Dutch. Learn.
I think you got something else here too.
What else did you get?
Cherry. Cherry.
Wow. We'll have to put that on ya.
Lightning McQueen.
Wow, that's really nice.
Vic.
Oh, look at that, Will. Look at that shirt.
That cherry. That.
Pretty cool. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Thank you, Grandpa?
Wow.
Say thank you.
Can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa? Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. Here, you want to put your new clothes on?